In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell ebooks on Etsy. We'll walk through the full process, from getting your file ready to publishing your listing and sharing it with potential buyers. First, prepare your ebook. Make sure you're working with the final, polished version. Thorough proofreading is essential. Read it out loud, run a spell check, and, if possible, have a fresh set of eyes review it. While you're at it, design a clean, eye-catching cover and create a few mock-ups. These visuals help shoppers understand what they're getting and can dramatically improve clicks and conversions. Next, open your browser and search for Etsy. Click the official Etsy link, then log into your account. Once you're in, head to Your Account and select Account Settings. From the left sidebar, click Listings. This is where you'll manage everything related to your products. Now click the plus icon to add a listing in the top right corner. When prompted to choose a category, select Ebooks and click Continue. This ensures Etsy treats your product as a digital download, which simplifies the rest of the setup. Now add a clear, keyword-rich title. Think about what your ideal buyer is typing into search. Include the topic, the format, and any standout benefit. Upload your photos next. Use your cover and those mock-ups you created to showcase the ebook's design, key chapters, or included templates. Aim for clean, well-lit images with readable text snippets. Upload the actual digital files and write a thorough description. Explain what the ebook covers, who it's for, the file format, how many pages are included, and any bonus materials. If your file is large, consider compressing it or using a zip file so it's easy to download. Set your price and quantity. For digital items, quantity can typically be set high because delivery is automatic. Under Details, add attributes such as materials, width, height, and tags. For a digital product, use these fields to communicate useful specifics, file type, page size, or other relevant details, and make the most of tags by using phrases buyers would search for. Since this is a digital product, there's no shipping or processing setup required. Specify your return policy clearly and decide whether the listing should renew automatically to stay active. Before you go live, click Preview to see exactly how buyers will view your listing and check for typos or missing information. When everything looks good, click Publish. To boost visibility, share your ebook on social media and consider building an email list so you can announce future releases and updates. That's it. You're ready to sell your ebook on Etsy.